Yeah. Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss about the page layout and formatting in Power BI. Yes, how you can use these many different types of options for layouting of your page and different types of options for formatting your visuals and the canvas where you are going to create the dashboard. So we can customize these reports with the transformative in options like page view. We have page view, page name, page size, and page background. So let's see what is page view. We can choose a page view for fit the screen, view actual size. We have many different options. Like it is like page view, how you can able to create this dashboard that whatever the dashboard we are going to create that it is fit to screen or whatever it is having the actual size, make it only in that way or else full full screen or fit to screen. Yeah, with these many different options we'll have for the page view. That is viewing in a page and the page name. Like we can give a name to each report to describe the content rather than having the default name. Yes, having the default name, if you want to give the page name, you can modify by using of this page. For the report, we can describe that using of the content. If, for example, I am declaring this page name as about sales and the marketing because I have created the dashboards and the report using of the sales and marketing data. So that's why I'm renaming this page name as using of report sales and marketing. And the page size, like default page size for each report is 16:9, which is suitable for the most of the monitors and the laptop screens. Yes. Other sizing the options are also available in the Power BI desktop. Based on your requirements, you can modify the size, page size, which is suitable for that application, whatever the system you are using. For the laptop screens and the monitors, 16:9 is the best suitable page size for creating of the reports and the dashboards in the Power BI. Okay, yes. And the next, page background. You can choose a color for the background or make it transparent, or even you can import many different types of images and that make that images on the background to create a highly customized report. Yeah, these are the different types of formatting options for page layout. Yeah. Next, working with multiple visuals. When you are working using the different types of visuals, like we are using one or more than visuals at a time. So the four main things to consider while working with multiple visuals is visual relationship, show items with no data, default summarization and categorization, and arrange report elements. Yeah. The first step is to visualize relationship, and the next one is without having of the data. Like no, if I didn't have any type of data, how you can able to see that representation? And if we have default summarizations or any categorization based on the data, how we can able to see, and how we can able to use this arranging of the reports and report elements in a dashboard. So let's see the visualize relationship. This is the visualize relationship. It is when you click on the data point in one of the multiple visuals on your report, the other visuals respond by highlighting the corresponding data. Yes. For example, I have created a dashboard. So that dashboard is about the employee data. So in that data, based on the employees, it's considering different types of categories like their place, name, salary, income salary, and the number of working days, leaves, and all this. For example, I have created using of all values, I have created a dashboard and I am clicking on a particular person, particular employee. So remaining rest of all the graphs that they will that visuals or respond by highlighting the corresponding the data. So it we can able to easily analyze that. For example, I'm clicking on the employee one. So regarding every visual is going to highlighted about that employee. Corresponding data should get highlighted. So we can easily analyze that about that person, right? It is the visual relationships. It is having the visual relationships. Yes. And the next one is show items with no data. This feature helps us to display data that has no value. By default, Power BI takes items with no values as zeros. When you didn't have any value, it will give you this blank representation. When showing items with no data, we can able to see this blank representation by working with multiple visuals. Yeah, this is default summarization and categorization. When we can change the default sum of average, maximum, or minimum, any queries that ensure that all address fields are categorized into city rather than a country or the state. By using of this all, it is like for one query, I would like to change anything that visual should be considering corresponding data should be changed according to the city and the country or the state. That is like default summarization. Like default, it can choose this that if one of the graphs should be changing, every left of graphs remaining related corresponding data should also change in the default summarization and categorization. And arranging elements in a report, like left, if you want to give on the left or if you want to give on the right, like canvas, the display of the image is in the middle and the legend is on the left corner or right corner, on the left side, right side, on the middle, and the backward. And these many options we can use. This forward and the backward to create layouts. These are different types of options to create multiple visuals in a arranging of the reports and the elements. Okay, yeah. These are the different types of points to remember using when you are working with multiple visuals. Arranging of the reports and data summarization and categorization, visualization relationship, showing items with no data. Yes, these are the different types of things you have to remember for using working with working with multiple visuals. Yes. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment below with your thought. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.